We're here at the London Muslim Centre for our annual Hajj Seminar, a great turnout, and it's really nice to see people coming from all around London and beyond to learn about how to perform Hajj, Umrah, and learn all the health and safety essentials that they need for a fulfilling and enriching journey. And we're just so happy to be part of this journey, to help them, guide them to Makkah, and for being there and to assist them all the way through. May Allah grant all our Hujjaj the Hajj Mabrur and accepted Hajj, insha'Allah.
We welcome all the Hujjaj which are going for Hajj this year. Allah Ta'ala make it easier for everybody and accept and make it Hajj Mabrur. And if there's any questions, anything, feel free to contact the team.
I'm at the Hajj Seminar at East London Mosque. This morning's session was very beneficial. Lots of good speakers, lots of good information.
Today's seminar has been very insightful for us. We enjoyed every single moment here. There's loads of information that was given to us, and it was very, very concise and very on point, so which helped us to realize how easy Hajj is. And Alhamdulillah, I'm really, really proud of the service that they're providing.
Alhamdulillah, these kind of seminars are really, really important for anybody who's going for Hajj. If you have a local seminar somewhere, please try and attend. Insha'Allah, it will be very beneficial. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.